My life changed drastically. I'm there to play guitar with my buddy down in Nashville. My wife, Sandy, kept asking, "Are you comfortable?" And I just didn't feel right. This pressure was kind of on, and I simply could not breathe. I said, "If you drive me to the hospital, I'm going to die on the way." It was scary. I was scared, yeah. When you're told you have advanced heart failure, the thought is, how am I going to live my life? You know, what am I going to do?
I literally felt like the air had just been knocked out of me. Oh, please, you know, please don't take this man from me.
I was in shock. I was in shock. I thought I was living this clean, healthy lifestyle, but I didn't know what was going on inside. The decision was made to get a heart transplant. I was told I would have to probably live at Strong Memorial for up to a year. I had a guitar brought in, I had a computer, you know, and all of a sudden, you know, the doctors were showing more and more concern. The whole team that was working on me came in and said, "Mr. Vinyl, we've got bad news. If we don't do an emergency surgery, you're going to die this weekend." The idea of a heart transplant became secondary, and it was, I needed to understand what a life on the LVAD was going to be all about.
Loren's philosophy on life was always very attractive to me. He would say things like, "Well, you know, we just have to do the work and we let go of the result."
And I just kind of turned my life over and said, whatever's meant to be is meant to be.
What we didn't know at the time, the last thing we wanted, turned out to be the greatest blessing.
The HeartMate 3 has given me life. It has given me happiness, joy, a life beyond my wildest dreams. I had no idea I'd be playing guitar and cutting the grass and you know, I'm able to work in the fields that I love.
It's just given us our lives back.
And freedom, you know, and there's something to be said about that. All these things that we just take for granted. I didn't know what living on a heart pump would be like. And I gotta tell you, I was 100% wrong. Embrace the change. My life changed drastically. And I'm so grateful that I'm still here.